In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy pages to another section. If you organize notes across multiple sections or notebooks, copying a page is a quick way to reuse content without changing the original. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident doing this every time. Start by locating the page you want to copy in your page list. In most layouts, this list appears along one side of OneNote as page tabs. Hover over the page you want, then right-click directly on that page tab. This opens a small context menu with actions specific to that page. From that menu, choose Move/Copy. Be sure you select Move/Copy, not Delete or anything similar. When you click Move/Copy, OneNote opens a dialog that shows all available notebooks, section groups, and sections, giving you a clear place to choose where your copied page should go. In the Move or Copy dialog, browse to the notebook and section where you want the page to land. If you don't immediately see your target section, expand the notebook to reveal its sections. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the exact destination section you want, especially if you keep similarly named sections in different notebooks. If the destination section already exists, you're good to go. This is important because you're choosing a final home for the copy, and picking the right place now saves you time later. Once the destination section is highlighted, click Copy. This creates a duplicate of your page in the section you chose while leaving your original page exactly where it was. That's the key difference between copy and move. Copy duplicates, move relocates. After clicking Copy, you can jump to that section to see the new page with the same title and content, including text, images, formatting, and attachments. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you need the same page in several sections, you can repeat the process and copy again to other sections without changing the original. If you end up with multiple copies that share the same title, that's okay. OneNote allows duplicates, and you can rename the copied page afterward to keep things clear. Also note that only the selected page is copied. Any subpages beneath it aren't automatically included unless you copy them individually. And that's it. Right-click the Page tab, choose Move/Copy, pick your destination section, and click Copy. It's a small action that delivers big-time savings when you're organizing or reusing notes across your notebooks.